There's a wire unplugged somewhere.
Where do you check the wires at?
I don't fucking know.
Are you taking a video anyhow? Are you gonna put it on Facebook and say Redneck can't put computer together?
Trying to get like angry grandpa here in a minute. You know what angry grandpa does when he can't do something?
Breaks it.
He breaks it.
All right, Mikey Jr.
That has nothing to do with it.
He's trying to put a USB port in.
Come we go down!
Maybe next year you'll get him a rat condo.
Fuck you go, man.
Yeah, the left has got like a after school program, I think I was saying. Yeah, she's on like field trip. Field trip! Field trip!
It'll make you cry.
And Mama told me yesterday that she'd be able to get her. So I said yes to come over here, and then not too long after that, Dawn texted and asked if she doesn't get out by 7 if I'll get her.
Should have said no.
I was like, seriously?
You're
I
scared.
didn't say that, I just said yeah.
You're scared to say no.
You know what? I lied. Me too.
Because you're her little go-to girl.
Shut the fuck up.
It tasted like
Yeah.
Man, I don't fucking know. Fuck this bullshit.
stop keeping score. Which, by the way, if we were dueling, would be about $1 billion to 1.
Alright, I don't fucking know. Fuck it.
We're trying to be honest with you, Mark.
Alright, what did I do
You
wrong?
can't put that on Facebook, just saying. Okay?
Huh?
Can't put that video on Facebook.
Why?
Because,
Huh?
because
Because why? Oh, because what I said?
yes.
You know me,
Too bad I didn't have a way to bleep it out. Bleep, 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 bleep.
You know me, I'm a fucking asshole. I don't give a fuck. You should know that by now.
Can you say number 1?
I hate this goddamn mouse.
Having a hard time?
Yep.
What's wrong?
Where's
Piece of shit motherfucker.
Where's Caleb?
I think it has something to do with the user.
It probably does. God damn it, what the fuck?
Say hi.
Give me a new mouse.
Buy it for me?
Can you give her some soggy Cheetos? Do you want a soggy Cheeto?
I am very sorry to hear that, Reba. Because as you can imagine, it's just been a freaking hectic month.
Just rub it on your titty.
You think you're clever?
I'm gonna have to Bluetooth here this video when we're done.
I
God
got
damn,
my
man.
shirt when we're done with these Cheetos, huh?
The other woman, Reba.
You're not putting it on Facebook, right?
Just on YouTube?
Oh, on YouTube. Okay, I don't think so. Mine's on YouTube. Will.
No.
Whispers and fingers pointing at me.
What?
YouTube is right there to it.
There, I got it.
Just like
You looking for a monster?
phony smiles and fake sincerity hurt a whole lot worse than your clever little jokes.
You rub it on the pants and on the match. Oh.
I'm not that clever either. Some of them are.
Oh, he's doing it. I said you could rub it on my pants and he goes.
I want you to feel sorry.
Where did you go?
I just want
Where
you
did
to
That all gone.
All gone?
I want you to be honest.
All gone?
Okay, I can do that. Your party ideas are stupid. I'll let you in the crab box because you're too big to fit into the car. And I say you're way better than you. There's my Reba. And if you told me that again,
You get a kick out of this motherfucker?
Damn right.
Get your hands off your brother's penis.
Makes sense. Okay, protein cereal helps keep you fuller and longer. Willpower. Will you gain when you eat?
There we go.